Google alleges that Chinese hackers broke into the email accounts of several of its users located in the U.S., Europe, and China.
Our emails were also compromised, and our websites and blogs were also defaced.
The victims were human rights activists like Tenzin Seldon, who works with students for a free Tibet. The hackers apparently wanted to disrupt their work.
I was extremely startled. I couldn't believe that someone, an unknown stranger, could hack into my account so easily.
Google has had a strained relationship in China ever since it started doing business there in 2006. The Chinese government legally forces Google to censor certain search results, like Tiananmen massacre. And while Google stopped short of accusing the Chinese government of the hack attack, it released this statement. Quote, "These attacks, combined with the attempts over the past year to further limit free speech on the web, have led us to conclude that we are no longer comfortable continuing to censor our results on Google.cn." The Chinese authorities deny any wrongdoing and insist Google must follow the laws of the land. But Google has now threatened to pull out of China entirely.
If a massive, sophisticated company like Google can't protect itself from cyber attack, then certainly that means that smaller organizations probably are going to have a significant difficulty.